everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today we're gonna do flip my stimulus challenge. So $600, we're gonna see how much we can turn it into at a sneaker event. And I'm already here. You see this car right here, the luxury, the Don Luxury Goods. If that car is here, there's no deals because he's already taken all of them. He's out working us, but we're here, ready to go. Getting this car ready and loaded. So we'll see what deals we can find. The event hasn't started. Probably like 30 minutes from now it'll start. So let's go in, see what we can finesse. Let's go. Alright, yo, so this is the event. We'll see what they get. Got a little mids for me right here. My goal is to get a few pair of mids, but these are, you know, vendors. They want an arm and a leg. You know, 2020, it's the year of the mids. Oh man, so many pairs of mids. We'll see. We'll look through it. Every reseller has a pair of mids everywhere.
Hey, how you get here?
I'm waiting for you. You can't. Alright, y'all. Got these shits for 70 bucks. No box, right?
Yeah, no box.
Alright, bro. Here I am, paying the man 70 bucks. How much you want on those right there in your hand?
These?
Yeah.
I want 60. Oh, this is right here.
60 bucks. Alright, y'all. So the event is dry as hell. As you guys can see, mostly overpriced resellers and stuff like that. There isn't that much like active people coming in trying to, you know, see what's around, like this type of people right there who are not vending. There's a few people coming in through the door, but oh yeah, hey, we got a new guy. Go. Yeah, we got a new guy. But look at this guy, rich man. I want to be like this rich one day. Finally, we got some crumbs, you feel me? Got these size 8, 110. No worries.
Yeah, they don't release until April.
So 280, we're picking up these green Gatorades. Here you go. Appreciate that. These right here, green Gatorades. So I just picked these up for 100 bucks, no box. Got the little ice thing box.
So these are new here, bro.
Brand new?
Yeah, these are new. It's gonna be the orange and the purple.
What's the ticket on both of them?
Man, I'm really trying to get 230. Taking those back.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna hold on to those though.
Yeah. Hold on to the 4s. How much you want on these?
I don't know, bro.
These are brand new?
Yeah. Well, I wore them one time inside the house for a photo shoot.
Yeah.
Same thing with the other 6s I had, the Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Those 2 were worn inside the house for a photo shoot for a few hours, and that was the end of that.
Yeah, these are clean. What's the ticket?
I don't know. And this one actually came with the pack.
Yeah.
The other one,
you threw away the other pack?
Oh, it got sold.
Yeah. You didn't fuck with the other one, right?
Nah, the other one just got sold, bro.
What do you thinking on those?
Make me an offer.
I'm very broke. 150?
These, I think I'm just gonna hold on to those, bro.
Yeah, these are fire.
I've used those about 10 times.
What's the best?
I think I'm just gonna hold on, bro.
Ah, that's cool. How about on those? Alright, so 155. Appreciate you for these. The $5 is gonna go towards the case, so basically 150. Oh yeah, I appreciate you. Yeah. Alright, yo, so I'm picking up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs for 175. We got 4 pairs of these at 140 a pop, and we'll pay him. Alright, so I'm paying 560 for the 4 pairs of Signal Blues. I'm paying him 1,400 for all these pairs right here at 175 a pop. Alright, I'm cashing out the homie paying $130 a pop on these. Only 2 pairs, size 7, shitty sizes. You want to shout out your brand or whatever? Alright, cool. Picking these up, $260. Let's go.
Be sure you check and let me know, like either 460 or 450.
Oh yeah, because of the box. This
Yeah.
box is straight, so 460.
460.
Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm selling these for $460 right now. I'm not gonna put your face or anything. I'm just recording it for myself. Alright, y'all. So we just sold these gammas for $150 right here. So I just picked these up for $100, no box. Got them here. Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Alright, y'all. Picking one more pair of the smoke grays, $180. Size 4. Alright. Alright, y'all. $250 for black cements. Very near dead stock or whatnot. Maybe easy 3. Appreciate it, bro. No worries.
I feel like I say 250.
Picking these 2 up. This one's very near dead stock, you feel me? Just a little bit light worn. This one is brand new with the tag and everything. $250 for these. And then more shoes right there. We're gonna check them out real quick. Alright, y'all, so I also got to pick up these right here, size whatever size they are, for $60 pre-owned. It's a good shoe. I could sell it for $100 on eBay. For $550 I picked up this pair right here. It's brand new, just discolored, kind of high. It's like $180 a pop, but it's kind of high, but I just took it, you know. I could clean it up, unyellow it, resell it for more. Same thing with this one. It's brand spanking new. These are going for like $250 plus all day long. And this is the other pair I picked up with those right here. This Joker, some Joker 3s. These are also brand spanking new. These are selling for over $200. And then we have our last pair. Let me set this back up. And then we picked up this last pair right here. It's used, but for $60, you can't beat it. I'm gonna sell them for like 100, 120. Easy profit right there. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the show. The car is somewhat full. I think these are all Jordan 1 that I'm flipping later on. So this is not part of the challenge, but this is just the stuff that I'm getting for personals. And I already show you guys what I'm getting and everything, right? So we'll do the calculations of how much I made so far, flipping the little stimulus money. Haven't decided if it's gonna be $1,000 of stimulus or the $600 basic stimulus. But yeah, just got a few pairs in. I'm about to go to the house, go get some grub. It is what it is. We'll go inside. I'll show you guys what it looks like after the show's over and stuff.
Make sure you click the like or dislike or I don't care button, but click something, goddammit!
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was like an event a few weeks back. Did my thing, finessed a few deals here and there. Other than that, the giveaway winner will probably be on the next video or something. Like I'm for sure gonna go back to it, pick the winner and stuff. I just been super busy. Got so much releases coming out, so many shoes that I'm buying, and we're creating processes, having an employee. Things are just getting overhand, especially with the amount of inventory I have now. It's just really crazy. So I hope you guys at least enjoyed this video. Genuinely, I just want to prolong the video till it's 10 minutes full, so then we can actually get recommended for the YouTube algorithm and all that. So please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button for me, please, real quick, so the algorithm can pick us up. I'm thinking we're close to 1 minute by now. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great one. Adios.